Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Hummer H2. Hummer H2 Performance. Optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6-speed wide gear ratios, including an all-overdrive gear, enable the performance. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.